Welcome, today I am with Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G and I will show you the speaker sound quality test. So I will play this no copyright music on the YouTube and we are going to check how the speakers sound. So as you can see, I just set up the highest quality and let's listen. Okay, so as you can hear, that's how the speakers sound, and for sure you can find it in the smartphone, the two speakers at the top, at the bottom and at the top in these places. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.